next performance will be performed by the Azerbaijan, and that means it's my great pleasure to introduce the kid dance and share the Azerbaijan culture through their numerous educational program and event, including the dance class and where is the talent group was created. So if you want to learn more culture of Azerbaijan and their history, you can visit their booths in the behind. And so today the young dancer from the kid dance ensemble will perform a traditional Azerbaijan dance named Ahi Chichayin, which translates to my white flowers. So they were dressed in a colorful traditional artillery, and their dance will enhance us with their grateful movement. So this performance will teach by their teacher, Miss Rose. Let's give a big applause to them.